Great! Welcome back. So this is our first video. We're going to define the basics of franchising. Franchising is something that is increasingly growing in popularity. In fact, that there is an estimated 750,000 franchise units operating across the United States alone. So it's something that has continued to grow, but it has a very, very long history. In fact, the word franchise comes from a dialect of Old French, which means like a right or a privilege or freedom. And when you look at the Old French context, you look at like Middle Ages where kings and lords would grant other individuals rights to use their land for like hunting, farming, or to conduct some form of commerce. Now, in the 1840s, franchising actually expanded from that kind of medieval arrangement where beer distributors would grant exclusive distribution rights to pubs and taverns within certain regions of Germany. And of course, after the Civil War in the United States, Singer, the sewing machine company, they actually had a franchise model where distributors would go around the country selling their sewing machines. And then, of course, most of the fast food franchises that you think of started after World War II, and they've kind of grown in popularity, which brings me to an important point. We usually think of just franchises in terms of the fast food restaurants, McDonald's, Wendy's, whatever. But actually there are 10 different industries where you will commonly find franchising opportunities. And these are in no particular order, but of course you've got automotive, right? Car dealerships. You have commercial and residential services. Okay. You have, of course, fast food, quick service restaurants. You have full service restaurants too, not just fast food. Of course, you have retail food and grocery stores, lodging like hotels, real estate agencies like Century 21, Keller Williams, Remax, those kinds of things. Retail products and services, there's a lot of those shops that you see at malls, maybe franchises. Business services like H&R Block, which is an accounting firm that does taxes. And then of course there's a variety of personal services like Massage Envy and some of these that are also franchises. So you can franchise just about anything, even though we normally think of franchising in terms of just fast food. Okay? So these are the basics. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how franchising is different from other forms of business ownership. So I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you like them, give me one of these thumbs up things, and also make sure that you subscribe. If you have any questions, post them down in the comments below, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks.